So let's continue the discussion. We'll be talking about the human rights. So kanang daghan man tag nahibalaan nga human rights, we can research them and we can read them, but this time I will just be talking about the few that is being violated when someone committed gender-based violence. So let's start. When we talk about human rights, first, it's universal. It is inalienable. It is indivisible, interconnected, and interdependent. So that's human rights. So first, we'll be talking the right to life, liberty, and property of person. So of course, if ikaw mahimo kang victim aning gender-based violence, ma-forbidden ka to have a life nga naay liberty, to live a life nga peaceful, to live a life away from harm. So next is the right to the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health. So being a victim, mawala jud na sa imuha ang right to have that highest attainable standard of physical, kay kanang murag kanang ma-conscious na sa imong self, especially if you undergo kanang naka-experience ka nga rape ka. So yeah, that's it. Mawala na sa imuha nga kanang the right to have that highest attainable standard of life sa physical and mental health. Daghan na kaayo nga kanang anxiety, depression nga mahitabo ato mga victim. And I tell you, dili lang na sa victim pod, the assailant experienced that as well. Kay ang guilt ana sa ilaha, di na sila mahimutang sa ilang kinabuhi, because it is always kanang ilang konsensya, ilang guilty. I hope so every one of those assailant mao na ilang ma-feel to have that guilt nga di sila pakatulugon sa ilang konsensya sa. So next is the right to freedom from torture, of cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment of punishment. So of course, if violence, when you talk about violence, na siya mga torture, cruelty, degrading treatment. So maka-experience ta nga bitang maka-receive tag violence, gender-based violence from someone, mawala atong freedom to have a life away from torture or cruel, to have a life nga dili ka humiliate, dili ka have that degrading treatment from someone. So ma-violate na siya. Lastly is the right to freedom of opinion, expression, and education. So mostly sa mga akong nailhan dili tanan, wala na ko siya generalize, pero mostly of those people nga nahimong victim, mawala jud ilahang, ma-stop jud sila sa ilahang pag-eskwela. Mobalik man sila, pero they will have time for themselves to heal. They will time to have themselves nga nabitang i-restore sa nila ilahang mag-ready sa sila. So mawala ang ilahang right to have education for that moment, kay ma-stop ilahang kanang pag-eskwela. And then expression, when we talk about expression, kanang nabitang mga bata nga kanang i-threaten sila, they don't have the right to express themselves tungod kay naa sila mahadlok sila, or kanang naay maghinder sa ilaha, and that's also violence nga kanabitang experience nila from people in authority. So yeah, kanang mo to siya mga human rights nga I don't know if naapay lain, pero as what I've researched, nga mo to siya mga some of the human rights nga ma-violate, and daghan pa na siya ma-violate when gender-based violence is being committed by someone. So the survivor and the perpetrator are important actors in the gender-based violence and violence against women. So GBV and VOW are a clear violations of human rights. Gi-violate jud nila ang human rights if someone committed it. And all this point to the essence that these acts of violence are a global and national concern. So I know nga kanang we have peaceful life, but if we encounter kana bitang mga tawo nga nahimo silang victim sa gender-based violence or violence against women, may you have that courage, or kanang nabitang mo encourage sa ilaha nga yeah, they undergo that that kanang tragedy sa ilahang kinabuhi, but it's all in the past. Help them to move on, encourage them nga life will go on bisan pa og mo to nahitabo sa ilahang kinabuhi. They are not kanang tied in their past, but they have future that wait for them. And yeah, hopefully you will be able to be an empowerment nga mahimo pud ka nga encouragement sa mga tawo nga na-experience ani. So that would be all. Thank you and God bless.